Guys, this outfit creates a polished and elegant impression from the very first glance. The fabric feels incredibly soft and comfortable against the skin. Its lightweight construction makes it easy to wear throughout the day. The overall design looks sophisticated while remaining effortlessly simple. Friends, that combination gives it a very timeless appeal. The fit feels relaxed yet neatly structured. It offers comfort without sacrificing a stylish appearance. Every detail appears carefully planned and beautifully finished. The stitching is precise and adds to the premium feel. The material has a smooth texture that feels high quality. It moves naturally and comfortably with the body. The silhouette looks balanced, flattering, and refined. Nothing feels overly complicated or distracting. The design focuses on classic elegance rather than temporary trends. Friends, that's what makes it such a dependable choice. The fabric drapes beautifully and enhances the overall look. It maintains a graceful shape while allowing easy movement. The construction feels durable and well-crafted. The quality is noticeable from every angle. Each element contributes to a clean and sophisticated appearance. The outfit feels practical enough for regular wear. At the same time, it carries a touch of understated luxury. Friends, comfort and style work together perfectly here. The finishing details elevate the overall